Hello everybody, my name's Cam from Etani, and today we're going to look at how easy it is to put Workflow Max into Microsoft Power BI and distribute it to your clients. So you're looking at XYZ Chartered Accountant, this would be your accounting firm, and we're going to play with old man online clothing, okay? So you literally go into the client that you want to work on, you come across to third-party applications, you add a third-party data source, and you choose what data source we're going to play with this client. Now, so today we're doing Workflow Max, but there's obviously a lot of others that you can play with. So we literally select Workflow Max. It wants an API key and an account key. So you come across the Workflow Max, you go to their contact page, you fill in your details and you say, give me my API key. They don't have a developer backend like most do, but it doesn't matter. They just email it to you and through it comes. You paste it in, Etani takes care of the rest. So we'll let you know by email when that data set's active, and then you've got live Workflow Max data flowing through. Okay. Next step here is just a standard Etani template that you get with the client. We just look at some really key indicators: total sales, chargeable hours, chargeable time, average charge out rate, how you're going against budget, which staff members are performing, which clients you're not delivering on. So this is a report. You can go to the, you can obviously push this to a dashboard as well. So if we open this up in the app, you can imagine pushing this to Old Man Online Clothing if they were your client, and you literally can push these dashboards to them. So it's the same information at desktop level, it's just on the go. So then you've got those same key indicators. You can start setting KPIs for your client, making sure, or setting alerts saying, look, which staff member's not performing, which ones are for each quarter, each month, or each year, whatever you want to do. Really powerful stuff to have on the go. And the reason I love Power BI is the self-service nature of it. So here is some standard templates, but guess what? You write the rules. So let's go into Power BI Desktop and have a look at that template. Here we are in Power BI Desktop, same template, but you can move the goalposts. That's what I love. So literally you can come here and say, I actually don't want that one. I want that to be there. And I don't want to talk about financial year 19. I just want to talk about just that month. So everything updates, we get new data, we push that, we give that to our clients. You just decide how you want this to be. I love the self-service aspect of Power BI, to be able to design things how you want. Stop waiting for feature requests, just do it yourself. So that's all from me. Give us a call if you want to have a chat. I'm so bullish on Power BI. I mean, I just think this is undeniable. This is how you deliver value to your clients. The accounting firms that are already using this are getting awesome results from their clients. Their clients can't believe what they're looking at. They can't believe as an SME that you can have access to insights about your business that you can use to make better decisions. This is a no-brainer.